Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Holden Colorado, stock number 6239. This ran from the 7th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet 2 dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,